Welcome to this Multitrace tutorial video. Today, I would like to explore with you the simultaneous mode. That means we're going to do the same measurement with multiple channels of a multi-channel instrument at the same time. So, as a multi-channel instrument today, I've connected a multi-MStat 4. It has 12 channels, and this is the high range version. I've already opened Multitrace, so let's have a look. So this is the starting window. Already Multitrace has detected that I do have a multi-MStat 4 connected. It shows the correct number of channels, so it did find all of the channels. And I just click on the simultaneous mode button to get to the simultaneous mode. If you are already a Potentiostat user, the interface will look very familiar to you. You can see, just like for example in Potentiostat, which is our software for our single channel potentiostats like the PalmSens 4 or the MStat 4, you see here a section to set your parameters. You see here the one where you will see your plot, and you see the one where your data pops up. What's new is this section where you now can choose which of your channels will be taking part in the measurements and which ones not. Just by clicking on them, you can toggle them on and off. If you make a double click on a channel, that will be the only channel that is selected. Well, I've only connected my first 3 channels, so I will only activate my first 3 channels. There's another special checkbox here at the bottom. That's Enable Hardware Synchronization. What does that mean? Usually, the instrument works in the way that the computer sends the parameters to the instrument. Each channel processes that information and starts the measurement as soon as they're ready. So there can be time delay between these channels, which is usually in the range of milliseconds. It depends how fast your computer is, etc. If you want to make measurements with multiple working electrodes in the same cell, then it can be important for you that these measurements are like perfectly timed, ported by the multi-MStat 4 and the multi-PalmSens 4. You reduce the time difference between the channels to an amount in the range of microseconds. If you want to know more about this, you can find that in our knowledge base. You will find this page where you can then download the application note, and in the application note you will find all the details how to set up a measurement with a multi-channel device for multiple working electrodes in the same cell, and how to do that for same or different techniques. You will also find a link to this application notes in the descriptions of this video. We'll make an extra video for this topic because it's a bit more complex than what I could just describe in here. So let's go back to the simultaneous mode of Potentiostat. I've already set the parameters that I wanted to set for this measurement. So we're going to do linear sweep voltammetry. I've connected to all 3 channels our dummy cell, and I've connected the working electrode B, which is a 10 kilo ohm resistor. If I start a measurement for all of these channels, you will see that all of these measurements are plotted in the same channel. You will also see that each measurement is already labeled with a corresponding channel. If you want, you can see the status of your channel if you click here. If you want to see every measurement, what the status of your channels are, you can just decheck this box, and this box will pop up automatically when you perform a measurement. If that's not what you want, just check the box and you won't see the status for every channel. So just to show you what that means, I will choose Overlay and perform the measurements again. So here you see how that box popped up automatically to show you the status of each of the channels. Now, what you can also see is if you perform multiple measurements with the same channels, they will all have the same color. This is a conscious choice that we made to make it easier for you to find measurements that were performed with the same channels. So since I used the same dummy cell for all of the measurements, they're of course all overlapping, but if I, for example, check them one by one, you can see that the ones with the same channel are not only overlapping, but also have the same color. You can also save your data, just as in Potentiostat, here with Save Your Data, and import it into Potentiostat. Potentiostat will usually auto-assign colors to your curves, so you won't have the same color for every channel, but there's a little checkbox when you load your data that will allow you to keep the color of the original data file when it was saved. Right, so that was everything I wanted to tell you about the simultaneous mode. In a future video we will explore the individual mode, where we can give different methods to different channels. And if you're wondering how do I get to the simultaneous and individual mode, maybe you should watch our previous video where we show you all the options from the starting window of Multitrace. So, thanks for watching and have a great day!